Okay, so my last video got cut off, sorry. And I was just saying that I'm changing these two negatives to positives because when I have two negatives right next to each other, they change to positives. So then I'm just going to keep the first fraction, change the what?
Sign.
Yes. And do what to the next one?
Flip it.
Flip. So put what's on the bottom on the top. And now I can multiply the top numbers together and multiply the bottom numbers together. So 3 times 7.5, my calculator people. Say it again. 22.5. And, oh yeah, we just had that one. And then 4.5 times 3 is what? 13.5. Where did I get the negative from?
I have no idea. Maybe that.
I just added it. Sorry. I don't know why I did that. And then for our last step, we're going to go ahead and divide. So what is 22.5 divided by 13.5? 1.6 with a line? Yep. Got it. And that is the answer. So sorry this video was super short, but if you have any questions, let me know.